In today's video, we are going to show you how to do a second attempt on Edpuzzle, especially if your Edpuzzle assignment was messed up and maybe you needed a second try. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side area of the dashboard and click the My Classes because this is where all your assignments, class members, and gradebook lives. Now, go to the assignment that you wanted to retake. For example, this one. It's important to know that students cannot reset Edpuzzle attempts on their own. Okay, so only your teacher can allow a second attempt, but it depends on how the teacher set up the assignment. If the teacher set it up that it gives you like 3 attempts or 3 retries, basically, if you click the View as Student again, right here, as you can see, you have the ability to retry the lesson or the assignment. You will notice that you have 2 more attempts to improve your grades because the teacher set this up. It's that way. So again, it depends really on how the teacher set it up. If the teacher didn't set it up that you can retry, unfortunately, you need to ask your teacher's permission. Now, since our teacher allowed us for a second attempt, all we have to do is click the retry lesson, okay? Play the video again, and the questions will be showed whenever you play the video. So I am going to make sure that all my answers in the second attempt is correct, okay? Once you're happy, as you can see, click the submit button. And if you wanted to retry again, you can do so. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to do a second attempt on Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.